Alright, today we're having kapia soup. Some very good rice noodle soup, chicken soup. It's good for the winter. Love it. Favor. So yeah, I got meatball. We did meatball, everything. Chicken, meatball, pork ball. Uh, so yeah. Uh, which is what I'm gonna add in. Is my green onion, cilantro. Green onion, cilantro. So like my lot. So I'm gonna add all that in there. So so these are all my little ingredients on the side that I'm gonna put in. Uh, this is fried garlic. So you can put as much as you want, about 1 teaspoon or so. But I like mine a lot more. Make it a lot more garlier. Super good. That's what this soup's all about. It's all about that garlic. So throw me a little bit black pepper. So that's good enough. You don't need much, just for the flavor. You could put on some fish sauce. It's up to you. But tell sister give it to you. And okay. Or you could use salt. It's really up to you. Soup. This actually brighten up the flavor. So I'd say about like just a bit. You don't need a lot. Especially fish sauce. You don't need a lot. That's just to boost up the flavor. So I'm putting these fried chili pepper. You wanna go grab me a spoon? So chili, fried garlic chili pepper, something like that. That's what they call it. Yeah, chili oil with black beans. Yeah. So this one's the chili oil with the black bean. This one's super good. So it's up to you. You want to go full like that. Pretty spicy, but you guys know, man. Us Hmong, we cannot live without spice. It's super good. I know it look like it's overdue spice, but
Look, that's why it look pepper.
About the same amounts for this one too. So this one is, see, kind of this was just fried chili paste. So you could have one or either, don't matter. But I like both. The fried chili pepper ones get spicy, but the other ones not that spicy. But yes, this is how it look. Yeah, that's how it look. Tastes super good. So yeah. À nó tao tôi cho kịp báo lửa nè. Rồi có nhà biểu chuẩn bị sai. Rồi bây giờ là nhau rồi. So anyways guys, almost time for me to go to work. Just having this little hot soup bowl before I go to work, so I can stay warm. So it's super good. It's one good best noodle or soup. I say soup, mainly just soup because it's super thick. Check this out, soup super thick. So yep, it's super thick, super good, super red too. Check that out. So yeah. So thanks to watching us or watching me. Please go subscribe, like and share. Check me out. Let me know anything. I'll update you guys sooner or later. So whenever, you know. But yeah. Good. You sure you don't want to eat?
Yeah. Why did Mother Squid say what? Mother Squid say salt water?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh.
Mm. Like I said, looks spicy, hella good. Meatball. So, super good with the meatball. Bro, we won't open the door a little bit. It's I had my lady make it this morning when I was done sleeping in bed, cause I get off work late, so. Cause they're off today, so I was like, you know, it's a good day. You know, she get up early, so I was like, might just cook some of these. You know, it's good. But she liked the way I like it too. Super good. You get like ground pork. You could use ground chicken. It's really up to you. You could use, you know, those are the two best meat that I say that it's good to use for this recipe.
That's, I hate the chicken meat. I love the new to do. And my mom bought it. I like it. My mom made it. And that's why.
Mm-hmm. You wanna go give me a water bottle?
Okay.
Thank you, bro. Oh, hell yeah. Gonna go work feeling good. I know, especially today, I had to go get my arm, my palm x-ray too. Yeah, it sucked. I'm getting old. I'm getting weak. You know,
Oh, wait.
the age is catching up, guys. No more turning back being young. Only up to you if you want to be young. Act young. But yeah, anyway, hopefully x-ray everything come back, you know, good. There. Bad news, I don't want to hear bad news. Hopefully, doctor get back to me ASAP. Yeah, just life. So, hope everything goes good on my palm. Couldn't use it too many times now, so we'll see. For long term, hopefully, you know, I'm hoping to live and feel young for a long time, yeah. But yeah, I'm always an active guy, up running. Can never stay still for shit. Constantly moving, daily, all day. Especially having my birds too. Keep me going in and out, non-stop, guys. I thought I was healthy enough, but I guess age catch up and wears you out, and you know, slowly you down. So, you know, I just want to thank to all y'all watcher or subscribe me. Thanks you guys for watching me, subscribe me. You know, I'll let you guys know how my life is doing. You know, hey, ain't easy no more. but it's always easy eating good. Hopefully, my health is good. Hopefully, a little bit of my muscle just hurt. I don't want any of the gout or anything. You know. So far, doctor just gave me medicine for muscle release or relax. So try that out, and from there, wait for my expert to come back and see what they say. Last year and this year, damn, I had to go, X-ray, again this year. Last year was pretty bad, man. I almost died, but it wasn't COVID. It just, I guess it was just a flu. I don't know. They said it was a swollen stomach. I don't know. But after the doctor gave me medicine and everything, hey, I'm back up running. Machine is running again.
My dad ready. My muscle that wanted and muscle fine.
Noodles, they look good. Well, anyways, like my, subscriber and you guys, share it. Yes, pretty sure you guys know what I'm eating. Hopefully. You guys need a recipe? Let me know. Wow. I'm telling you guys, it's good. But yeah. Anyways, I was good, tasty. I was it. And I'll do more video for you guys. So y'all stay tuned, alright? So peace out. Subscribe us. Bye.